Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a DMT grid using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for efficient math operation and array handling, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting graphs and figures, and Access 3D enables 3D plotting capabilities in matplotlib. So to create a DMT grid, now we'll create a 3D figure for the pattern. So here figure is equals to plt.figure. This creates a blank figure with size 8 into 6 inches and add subplot. This adds one subplot, means one row, one column and one plot with 3D capabilities in it. And now we will generate the x and y coordinates grid. So here np.linspace creates evenly spaced values from -6 pi to +6 pi, and mesh grid turns 1D array into 2D grid, which creates coordinates for surface plotting. And now we'll define the z values, which means the height of the surface. So here this ax.set x label, y label and z label gives the plot color white and a contrast against the grid background, and set the label to the defined axes, and ax.set title adds a suitable title to the plot. And now we'll style the plot with a psychedelic effect. So this turns off grid lines for a cleaner visual look and sets the background color to black, which enhances the plasma colors. And now we'll add a color bar legend for the Z values. So this adds a sidebar that shows a value range for the surface colors, and shrink and aspect adjust the size and shape. And now we'll hide the pane and backgrounds. So this removes the grey panes behind the axis to keep the focus on the colorful surfaces. And now at last we'll give the final layout and display the plot. So here tight layout, this automatically adjusts spacing so labels and titles don't overlap, and plt.show displays the 3D plot. So here we can see a DMT grid pattern. So thanks for watching this video.